It's taco night. We're making tacos. Ground beef. Not much to it. We got an onion. We got some garlic. We're chopping as always. Some stuff for a little salsa mixture. We're gonna mix up, mash up, and throw on top of everything. Let's just get started. You know where it's starting. It's onion time. We're gonna do about, let's get complicated here. 2/5 of the onion is gonna go in the pan, and the rest is going into my little mixture later. You gotta learn your fractions. Don't skip math class, kids. Heat up that pan and toss those little guys in. Quickly dice up some little onions. Little onions. They look like onions sometimes, but they're garlic. If you want to skip the step of doing both of them, you can get shallots. Kind of like a mixture of both, but they're more expensive, so I don't buy them. Garlic. You can't beat it. Let that cook down just a little bit. And let's get started on our little salsa here. We're going to have a couple little tomatoes, bell pepper, onion, and I'm going to spice it with salt and pepper, and back with the garam masala mixture again. Gathered a couple little herbs from the garden that I'm going to throw in there, a little bit of parsley and some basil, and hopefully it tastes good. But it takes a lot of chopping, so hope you're up for the challenge. This one I'm going to have to add a whole bunch of music to, hopefully, and montage over all these nice little chop scenes with silly, clunky, fun music. Let's make it up. Let's force myself to do it by saying it on camera. That's the trick. So I cut it up like normal, like a fool, because I want to cut it up way smaller than this. So I'm going to have to go at it again. No tears, guys, no tears. Just lovely, lovely, soothing music. Okay, that's a nicer little level of chopped, I'd say. Let's stir these guys and see if they're ready for that ground beef. They're a little hot, actually, and not quite ready. So I'm going to chop this pepper up because it's a little bit less messy than the tomatoes. This is where a food processor would probably come in handy. Okay, these guys are ready for this. Salt. Pepper. I got some chili powder. And that's all there is to it. I got two different kinds of tacos today. We got these softies here, these nice tortillas, and I got some hard shells in this little toaster oven, ready to warm up. And because you know what, variety is a lovely thing to have when you can have it. We're gonna have both because gotta have a really nice looking screenshot. That's basically the reason, I think. Do it for you people. You lovely, lovely, beautiful people. Tomatoes. And I'm a spice lover, so you don't have to use bell peppers. Serrano peppers, jalapeno peppers, jalapenos. Going for a nice mild mixture though today. Just keeping it tame. One quick stir and then I'll chop up that last tomato. Here we go! Chopping is done! Celebrate! Okay, to the tippy top. It's full. We're gonna stir it in anyways because I like to risk it. Some little bit of masala powder, salt, and pepper. Got this basil and this parsley here. Slice it up in with these scissors. Snip, snip. And then give this a stir. Oh, a little bit of vinegar actually would help it last after if I can't finish it all. And I think it adds a little bit of nice flavor. You'd also probably want some lime if you add it. If you could add it, it would be a wonderful surprise. And I've heard good things about cumin, but I don't have those things, so. And there you have it. I guess it's sort of like a homemade salsa, but I'm using it for my tacos, and it's going to be delicious. No cooking required. Just chopping, a little bit of stirring, a little bit of snipping. Easy peasy. Let's heat up these taco shells. Let's get these plates ready and realize that you've got some leafy greens to chop still. I knew I wasn't free of the chops. I got cocky. Just a quick little chop for these guys. Typically, I'd use lettuce, but this was on sale. It's some kind of a Mexican kale of sorts, and I think it tastes just fine, so I'm going to throw that on top of there too. And also, got a little hunk of cheddar cheese that I'm going to grate up and add to the mixture just to fatten it up a little bit more. Cheese. So, we're ready to go. Ground beef looking rather cooked. Smelling pretty nice. Got that right amount of greasy. Just reminds me of good old taco time at home. Back when I was a youngin', good old tacos are always a go-to. Everybody loves tacos. Why didn't I think of this before? This should have been my first video. Just make tacos. I know, I'm excited. Let's make a soft boy, a hard boy. Soft boy first, because I am not going to do anything to get them all heated up. Except for put this nice hot meat in them. My biggest flaw when it comes to loading up any kind of taco, burrito, quesadilla, burrito thing is I always load it up too much, but we're going to try it out. We're going to see if I can nail it. Meat on the bottom. A little salsa mixture. Fold one end in, tuck those to the side. Can we see it for the thumbnail? It looks pretty good. I'll pin it down for the thumbnail. It's never going to hold together because I don't know how to wrap things. Someone teach me. Send me a video. Here's a hard boy. Cooking them up, loading them up the same way. Layer of meat. Layer of salsa. Oh, see, I can't even hold them up with a soft boy. I don't know how I should have laid this out. But, guys, it doesn't matter how you get there. It's all about how it looks in the end for YouTube videos, right? You just gotta have that juicy clickbait thumbnail. So, just wait for it, guys. It may look awkward and funky and like I'm really not sure what I'm doing at most times, but we'll get there. We're getting there. Fold it up, cause I don't know what I'm doing at all. Oh my goodness, this is a pain. Just stab it with a stick. Pour this right in the front there. Nice presentation. Should have made two little hard boys. Let's do that. It's gotta look good. I'm gonna keep dragging this video out for you guys. I just want it to end at this point. Just end the video. We'll get there. I'll get there. We'll get there eventually. And there's the thumbnail. Today's the day, it's taco night. Make yourself some tacos. Soft or hard, whatever way you like it. Enjoy.